Good morning, everybody. Time is 7:39. We're about to spring clean your house the healthy way.
That's it. And here from the Kind Matter Company is Laura Newton to tell us all about it. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. So when you're looking at transitioning to a sustainable lifestyle, you really want to take a look at the products that you have in your home. You want to ensure that they don't have all of those harmful chemicals that are going to be harmful to the environment, but as well harmful to your family.
Right, because if you're washing the floor with chemicals and then something falls on it, food or a toy, your pets, your little ones, you end up breathing it in, ingesting it one way or another.
You absolutely do.
Okay.
So there is a better way. There is a natural way. And you're going to be able to make these products with things you have around your house already. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how to make your own all-purpose cleaner.
Okay.
So we're going to do that, if you can imagine, with oranges. So as my kids are eating their oranges through the week, instead of throwing the peels away, what you're actually going to do is save them.
Does any citrus work? Like a tangerine, clementine, orange, grapefruit, all of it?
So the best thing about citrus is basically that the oil from the peel is going to act as a degreaser. So I just save them in a jar in my fridge. Once I get it filled up, all I do is just fill that up with vinegar. Now, of course, I would have more in there than this.
So it's just regular white vinegar?
Regular white vinegar, yeah. It's going to look like that. And you're just going to fill it right up to the top.
Okay.
Keep it in your fridge for a minimum of 2 days, and you see how this is changing color, right? So what's happening is that the peels are actually infusing the vinegar. So once you're done with that, you're going to just funnel that into your spray bottle. Now, I have a glass one here, but you, of course, could use anything you have in your home. Reuse a plastic one if need be. And then half it with water.
Okay.
And you have this amazing degreaser.
So you strain, obviously, the peels.
You strain those out. You're going to funnel it into your spray bottle.
Half with regular tap water.
Half with regular tap water.
And that's so quick and easy to do, because when we
So
were
quick and
chatting
easy to
off
do.
camera, I was like, people go get cheap cleaners and the harmful ones because of convenience.
Right.
But this doesn't take that long.
It doesn't take that long at all. And if you want to really up your cleaning game, you can also add things like rosemary oil or a tea tree oil as well. That's just going to act as an antibacterial.
How many drops would you put in that?
Probably like 4 or 5, something like that. Yeah. Yeah. So
and it's
just
effective. It works.
It is effective. Yeah. So this is what I use in my home. My family does not get sick. We really swear by all of these natural products. Mother Nature is doing it for us. We don't need all the chemicals, right? Yeah. So you were talking about convenience, and we all love those wipes that we can just buy and have ready for us, right? But you can make your own at home. So all I've done here is taken an old pillowcase. You could use a T-shirt, something that you're not using, and you're going to send
your
to...
Leafs T-shirt, you're not using that right now. Just chop it up. Oh, too soon? Too soon. Sorry.
But obviously you've washed it, by the way.
You have, yes, it is clean. It is a clean shirt or a pillowcase. And I've just cut this one up into squares. We're going to stick it into our jar here.
A clean jar.
A clean jar, clean on clean. Okay. And then I'm just using the zest from lemons and limes. You could use one or the other, but I like the scent of both of them.
This is so smart.
Yeah. So then what you're going to do is, I'm not going to measure, but you're going to do a half a cup of vinegar, again, just regular white vinegar, and then a half a cup of water.
It's that easy.
It's that easy. Yeah. So then
again, do you let that sit in the fridge for 2 days?
You know what? You're gonna stick this in your cupboard anyway, so it's just gonna do its thing while it's sitting there waiting for you to need to use it. Room temperature. It's totally fine. Yep, that's what that is right there. And again, you can add a little bit of give that a smell.
Oh my gosh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Smells delicious.
Yeah,
it does. Yeah.
And this is your cleaning cloth.
That's your cleaning cloth.
Okay.
Yeah. So instead of reaching for the store-bought ones, you just throw those under your sink in your bathroom or in your kitchen, and then they're ready to go whenever you need them, which is amazing.
You were saying sink. Yeah. Let's get to the sink.
Let's pretend this is our sink. So so simple. I'm taking the same lemon that I just used, so I'm not going to waste it. I would juice it, save my juice for later, throw it in my water, use it in a recipe, and then where did it go? What are we looking for? My baking soda. Oh, right here.
There it is.
Okay, here we go. So you're just going to sprinkle this into your sink.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. You've all got this in your cupboard. And then you're going to use this as your scouring pad. So you are just going to scrub away.
This
is your scrubbing pad.
Lemon minus the juice.
Yeah. So again, the juice from the lemon and the oil from the rind is going to act as a degreaser. And let me tell you,
Now, Devo, you're like,
Yeah, so yesterday I was cleaning and I was like, I don't have the time to do this. So your company does that and helps out with people like me.
So, basically what I like to do is, you're going to go ahead with that. I just like to educate people and give them these easy tips. I mean, they're out there, but sometimes they're overwhelming, right? You don't know where to start. So part of the job of my company is, yes, to help people just understand that there is a better way and that the natural stuff does work.
This is so satisfying.
Yeah, you're so happy right now.
Right?
Okay,
KindMatterCompany.com. You do the
Yes.
thinking for us. You send a little
got it.
box if you want every month, or you could just handpick what you need.
Absolutely.
Well
Yeah.
done. It smells so fresh. Right now, we're going to throw things over to Mel. Thank you.